Not sure how to use your TCL AC remote? Model number GYKQ-05. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your TCL AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. The anti-mildew button activates a drying cycle that helps prevent mold and odors by removing moisture after use. It keeps the interior fresh and hygienic with minimal effort. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. The Super button enables turbo mode, running the AC at maximum fan speed and cooling/heating power. It quickly reaches the set temperature in a short time for instant comfort. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the Health button to activate the AC's air purification or ionizer feature, helping improve indoor air quality while cooling or heating. Press the Display button gently using a pin or paperclip to turn the indoor unit's display lights on or off. This helps reduce screen brightness for a more comfortable environment, especially during nighttime use. If your TCL AC remote isn't working properly, the Reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the Reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your TCL AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.